Okay, hello everyone. Today my job here is I'm interested to installing Tensorflow into a computer that is running a Linux-based operating system. In this case, we are using a computer that is a Intel CPU Core i5. It's a Dell Latitude E6430. Okay, as you must be aware, TensorFlow is basically a free and open source software library that is used for very different aspects. Okay. However, TensorFlow is quite popular because it's end-to-end open source machine learning platform for everyone, and that is the reason that many people is looking into TensorFlow. Okay, let's put the hand on work. Okay, what I will do initially is I need the terminal. Okay, and the terminal is open here. This is my machine Gonzalez-Longatt 5. Okay, and what I will do is I will use Conda, and the first thing that I would like to know is to create a new environment. Okay, I will create a new environment, TF TensorFlow. Okay, TensorFlow. Now enter. And now what is happening is that the computer is connecting and is asking you if you would like to install TensorFlow, and I will say yes, totally agree, indeed. And right now what we are doing is basically allowing the computer to download and extract all the packages. As you can see over there, the computer is downloading TensorFlow base and many other applications, and it's downloading the package and also extracting the package, and then we will have these inside the new environment. Okay, that is what we are doing at the moment. Okay, now it's verifying and executing the environment. Right now we have the environment, and let me say Conda activate TensorFlow environment, and now it's active. Okay, what I will do now is I will run Anaconda. Okay, I will run Anaconda, and to run Anaconda, it's very simple. You can do it from the terminal, and that is what I will do at this moment. Okay, what I need to write here is Anaconda, and then navigator. Okay. Let me come back here. Well, what I will do it now is Anaconda, and I will run the navigator. Okay, and that is what we are doing at the moment. Now you can see that at the screen, sorry about the shine over there, you can see that we are here at the Anaconda navigator, and there is environment, as you can see over here. This is the environment for TensorFlow, and at this moment we have here a spider, but we need to install a spider in this environment in order to use Tensorflow, okay? And that is what I am doing right now. I am saying to Anaconda Navigator that I would like to use a spider as a Python interface inside this environment for Tensorflow, okay? As you can see at the screen, the Anaconda Navigator is connecting to internet and is downloading, and is right now we have the full installation here of the spider, okay? Well, I will finish this video by now, and in the next video I will test the Tensorflow installation. That's all for the video today. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next video. Thanks.